Hey friends, if you wish to fix Start Menu Experience Host.exe error 1000 and 1002 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay, and we'll also need a reboot after that. The second solution is to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now, right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Windows Explorer and File Explorer are the same thing. Now, you need to re-register the Shell Experience host. So, we have a command for you. This has to be run in the PowerShell window. So, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay, this will go through. And the last one is to re-register the twinapi.appco.dll file. So the command is simply, okay, I'll just share these commands in the description section of the video. Simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here, okay, and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.